Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super handy topic: how to share your YouTube TV subscription with your family. Whether you're splitting costs with roommates or just want to let your loved ones binge their favorite shows, this feature makes it easy and affordable. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to make sure you have a YouTube TV base plan that supports family sharing. As the primary account holder, you'll be in control. So log in to your YouTube TV account either through the app on your smart TV, phone, or by visiting tv.youtube.com on your computer. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. That's usually a picture or your initials. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where the magic happens. Navigate to the Membership section, and then look for Family Sharing or Manage Members. Now, here's the fun part. You can add up to 5 additional members to your plan. Just click on Add a Member and enter their Google account email addresses. They'll receive an invitation via email, and once they accept it, they'll be all set to start streaming. Remember, each family member gets their own personalized profile, so they can pick up right where they left off on their devices. One quick tip: keep an eye on your plan's streaming limits. Depending on your subscription, you might have restrictions on how many people can watch at the same time, so coordinate with your family to avoid any interruptions. Also, this sharing is tied to Google accounts, so everyone needs one to join in. And there you have it. Sharing YouTube TV with your family is straightforward and a great way to enjoy live TV together without the hassle. If you run into any issues, YouTube's Help Center has tons of resources. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.